Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing absolutely great because today's video is going to be very interesting and honestly very powerful. Every single day, I try my best to bring you something new, something different, and something that actually helps you grow in a completely new niche. And today what I'm about to show you can genuinely change the way you look at YouTube automation. Now before we start, I want you to take a look at this channel. This channel is generating an estimated $2.6 thousand per month. Yes, $2.6 thousand every single month. And the crazy part is that it only has 29 videos uploaded and around 29,000 subscribers. Now you might be thinking maybe the videos are highly edited or there is a big team behind it, but no, that's where things get interesting. If you look at the videos, every single video is getting thousands of views. Some videos have 49,000 views, 37,000 views, 66,000 views, 42,000 views, even 28,000 views. And just to correct myself earlier, I meant views, not subscribers. And even with these numbers, the channel is making around $2.6 thousand monthly. And yes, it is fully monetized. I even showed you proof, and you can verify it yourself on any analytics website. Now here comes the most important part. These videos are completely AI generated. Yes, 100% AI. No face, no voice, no expensive setup. Just simple visuals, background music, and short videos of around 4 to 5 minutes. Now first, let's start with ChatGPT because this is where everything begins. I have already prepared a perfect master prompt for you. This prompt is designed specifically for creating consistent character story videos, especially the same old man character that you've been seeing. Now you don't need to think or write anything. Just copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. Now what will ChatGPT do? It will automatically generate your entire story in proper cinematic scenes. It will start with scene 1, which is the intro, then scene 2, daily life, scene 3, emotional moment, scene 4, progress, and it continues like that. And the best part is that in every single scene, the character prompt is already included, which means your character stays 100% consistent. No face change, no outfit change, no random variations. Everything stays exactly the same. And if you want more scenes, you can simply tell ChatGPT to generate 10 scenes, 15 scenes, or even a full story. And if you want to change anything like environment, emotion, or situation, just type it, and it will instantly adjust everything for you. That's the power of a strong prompt. Now let's move to Flow AI. Yes, this is one of my favorite tools because inside Flow AI, you get Nanobrana 2 and Nanobrana Pro, and both are completely free. You just copy your scene prompt, paste it there, and generate your images. Nanobrana 2 requires 0 credits and has no waiting time, so you can generate again and again without delay. And the best part is your character stays perfectly consistent in every image. Same face, same style, same quality. Now, once all your images are ready, download them one by one, because now we are entering the most important step, which is turning these images into actual videos. Now, this is where most people get confused, but trust me, it's actually very simple if you follow step by step. For this part, I use Google Vids, and this is one of the most powerful free tools available right now for AI video generation. Now, first, log in with your Google account. Once you enter the dashboard, you need to find and select the model called VEO 3.1. Make sure you select the correct model because this directly affects your output quality. After that, you will see an option called Animate an Image. Click on that. Now this is where your prompt and your image come together. Take your scene prompt from ChatGPT, copy it, and paste it into the prompt section. Then upload the image you generated from Flow AI. Now before clicking Generate, make sure your prompt is clear, clean, and detailed, because better prompts always give better results. Now click Generate, wait for a few seconds, and you will get your first cinematic AI video. And honestly, the first time you see the result, you will be surprised. The motion looks smooth, the lighting feels natural, and the scene actually feels alive. It doesn't look like a basic animation. It feels like a real cinematic shot. Now here's something very important that most beginners ignore. Don't just generate one version. Always generate at least 2 to 3 variations of the same scene. Because sometimes the first result is good, but the second one is even better, and the third one might be perfect. So always compare and choose the best one. Now move to scene 2. Repeat the same process. Paste the prompt, upload the second image, and generate again. Then scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6. Keep repeating, and slowly your full video will start building scene by scene. Now let me give you a very powerful pro tip. Try to keep your camera movement style consistent across all scenes. If your first scene has slow cinematic movement, well, keep that same style in all scenes. If your lighting is warm and soft, keep it consistent, because consistency is what makes your video look professional. Now, once all your scenes are ready, download them one by one. After that, combine them using any simple editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro. Add simple cuts, maybe light transitions. Don't over-edit. Keep it clean and cinematic. Now, another important thing, this tool gives you output in 720p for free, which is already good enough to upload on YouTube. But if you want, you can upscale it later for better quality. Now let's move to the final tool. Now this is the tool that most people think is paid. And honestly, I thought the same in the beginning. But after testing it properly, I found a way to use it completely free. And trust me, this tool is even more powerful. It gives better motion, better control, and more cinematic output. Now the process is the same. Take your prompt, paste it, upload your image, and generate. But the difference is in the result. The character feels more alive. The motion feels more natural. And the video looks more premium. Now, one last important tip. Don't just focus on visuals. Focus on storytelling. Because at the end of the day, people watch stories, not just videos. If your story is strong, people will watch till the end. And when they watch till the end, your video will grow. So now tell me, was this difficult? No. You just needed the right method, and now you have it. So stop overthinking and start creating, because this opportunity is real, and people are already making money with it. Now it's your turn. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and support the channel. And don't worry, I'll keep bringing you more powerful tools, more strategies, and more ways to grow. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating.